They have reshuffled the cabinet to favor EDA. Allegedly, all the decisions that Ramaphosa has made will benefit EDA. Allegedly, the truth shall set you free. Sulalela mntomnyama. Asqale yo kuningi. John Steenhuisen, he was the Minister of Agriculture until he was demoted. Manje useyi-Deputy Minister of Trade, Industry and Competition. Willem Okapu, mhlambe the A is silent. Willem Kopa. Kona lokho, understand ukuthi he's the Minister of Agriculture. He replaced Steenhuisen, and of course Dina Pula came back as the Minister of Social Development. Ihlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi i-reshuffling only affected EDA. Understand ukuthi u-Alexandra Abraham became the Deputy Minister of Electricity and Energy. Jack Bloom became the Deputy Minister of Water and Sanitation. And of course, Yusuf Kasim became the Deputy Minister of Higher Education and Training. Hayi bo, angiboni. Yusuf is the Deputy Minister of Higher Education and Training. Umuntu omnyama uzoyibuza ukuthi ubani uYusuf. This is uYusuf. Yusuf is the youngest parliament member. He joined the parliament at the age of 24. He has also done many things. Understand ukuthi he was the federal chairperson of EDA Youth. He was the member of parliament from 2014 to 2019. He was a member of the Eastern Cape Provincial Legislature. He was also the DA Eastern Cape Canon leader and later chief whip. Understand he was also the provincial chairperson of the DA in the Eastern Cape. Why is all of this important? Because EDA has to boost morale and show ukuthi ibona aba in power when it comes to the South African government. It shows that the DA is still the real influence inside the GNU. Ihlakanipha mntomnyama, don't ever forget ukuthi EDA ne-ANC sebesebenza ndawonye. We all know that the great leader, our president, could have not made the decision yokureshufflisha i-cabinet alone. If the rumors are true and our president is a puppet, then who is Ipapneti? 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 Who is Ipapneti? Who is Ipapetier? Controlling the game, making sure that everyone, all the pieces come together. We still have 600 million gone kanje.
Abaningi ke bakhala ngokuthi kungani uJacinta singamtshelanga thina. uJacinta sengihlale naye imhlangano cishe emithathu. Ahlala umhlangano naye noMkhonazi, nobaba uMkhonazi, uTata uMkhonazi. Ahlala umhlangano noPremier, aphinde ahlala umhlangano naye noPremier, aphinde ahlala umhlangano naye noPremier futhi. Kule mhlangano yomthathu angikaze ngifonele uJacinta ngithi ake simhlangano. Angikaze ngifonele ngoba kwakungemina engangibiza umhlangano. Awukwazi ukumenya emhlanganweni bese umema bakhe abantu futhi nawo. Umhlangano uqala sasibizele lapha eMarine Parade, sahlangana safika lesisificana khona ngoba umuntu owayebiza umhlangano wayesifuna sonke. Namanje nje basibiza sifonelwe kulona sifonelele sibiza lapha emhlangano kaPresident. Umhlangano kwakulokhu kuhlalwe ngo2, mina ngisemashini. uPresident akangifunanga ngo9 ebusuku. Kwakufunwa mina. Ngizonikeza uPresident isiqiniseko ngoba nizokhumbula ukuthi uPresident wayihlangene neNgonyama ngayisonto. iNgonyama yamnikeza isiqiniseko sokuthi uphakele umthakathi ngiyamazi. Angeke abantu bone mangabe ekho. Lapha azobe khona uPresident akakhululeke ngeke kuze konakale lutho. uPresident ufuna lelo zwi kimi, ufuna ukuzothi ndoda ade ngihlangene neNgonyama. iNgonyama ithe akuzokonakala lutho. Kunamazwe akhathazekile asaba ukuthi azolanda idumo eSouth Africa ngenxa yakho. Athi mina president ngeke siyenzeke lokho. Ayethembise iNgonyama, ngamethembisa uPremier, ngiyakwethembisa nawe president. Uma kwenzeka kufa abantu bebulawa ngabantu abazobe behamba na president, cela ukhiphe iorder yokuthi uMkhonazi akangibona. Ngathi ngiphuma uPresident ebusuku ngo11 abe ngithola ucingo lukababa wathi indaba kwangethembisi wathi ngeke kwenzeke lutho ngicela kusasa kwenzeke lokhu kwenzeke ngale ndlela owasho ngayo wathi